Welcome to Inbound Tutorials and our exploration of the buyer's journey, focusing on the pivotal consideration stage. Today, we're diving into the world of editorial content and its profound impact on both businesses and consumers. Before we dive in, leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Picture this: consumers, armed with awareness, stand at a crossroads, surrounded by options. They're not just looking for a product, they are seeking solutions, information, and trust. Enter editorial content. Not just any content, but well-researched, informative, and engaging pieces designed to enlighten and guide. Benefits for consumers. For consumers, editorial content is like a beacon in the night. It offers depth and clarity. Complex products or services are broken down into digestible insights. Trust and credibility. High-quality, unbiased content builds trust, making consumers feel more confident in their choices. Personal connection. Stories and experiences that resonate personally, making the decision process more relatable and less daunting. Benefits for businesses. For businesses, editorial content is a strategic tool that yields brand authority. Establish your brand as a thought leader, a go-to source for information and solutions in your industry. Engagement and SEO. High-quality content drives engagement, shares, and naturally boosts your SEO rankings, bringing more eyes to your brand. Lead quality and conversion. Engaged and informed customers are more likely to convert, having moved through the consideration stage with your content as their guide. The symbiotic relationship. This relationship between editorial content, consumers, and businesses is symbiotic. Each article, blog post, or guide is a step closer to a decision, a bridge between curiosity and commitment. In the consideration stage of the buyer's journey, editorial content isn't just beneficial, it's transformative. It empowers consumers to make informed decisions and enables businesses to nurture leads with care and expertise. Join us as we continue to explore the power of content in transforming the buyer's journey. For more insights, subscribe and turn on notifications. Your next informed decision begins here. Thanks for watching. I am Evelyn with Optimart Consulting, communication that resonates. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.